Ladies and gentlemen, the session of this honorable body is about to commence. Everybody will please rise.
As the elected Vice Mayor and Presiding Officer, I'm calling the session to order. Roll call, please.
The honorable members of the Sangguniang Panlunsod, Honorable Kathleen Cibriones, Honorable Mark Aris Pilwansing, Honorable Maria Concepcion R. Hernandez Biloso, Honorable Aris Manuel D. Mendoza, Honorable Joel D. Bua, Honorable Raul A. Monte Alto, Honorable Pasites Liviste, Honorable Yunilo A. Katipon, Honorable Donato Olinato, Honorable Nonato Armonfero, Honorable Virgilio I. Makasay Jr., and the Honorable Presiding Officer, Honorable Eric B. Africa.
Mr. Secretary, do we have a quorum?
We have a quorum.
Invocation?
Lead me by the hand and help me face the rising sun. Comfort me through all the pain that life may bring. There's no other hope that I can lean upon. Lead me, Lord. Lead me all my life. Walk by me. Walk by me across the lonely roads that I may face. Take my arms and let your hand show me the way. Show the way to live inside your heart. All my days, all my life. You are my light. You're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my light. I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life. Lead me, Lord. Lead me, Lord. Even though at times I'd rather go along my way, help me take the right direction. Take your road. Lead me, Lord, and never leave my side. All my days, all my life. You are my light. You're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my light. I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life. You are my light. You're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need
Manatili po tayong nakatayo at sabay-sabay po nating awitin ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Magandang umaga po sa Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Reading of the minutes of the preceding session. The Honorable Maria Concon Hernandez Veloso is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Considering that we all have copy of the minutes of the previous session, I move that we dispense reading and the same be considered as approved.
Any second to the motion? Seconded by the Honorable Makasaet and Monfero. Discussion? Objection? Hearing none. The motion duly seconded is hereby approved. Committee report, the Honorable Pasita Eslebiste is recognized. Di sabihin na lang kay Tita Pat sila. Nawala. The Honorable Joel Puwa is recognized.
Good morning po, Mr. Chair. Good morning po sa atang bisita. May I ask the Secretary to read the committee report?
Mr. Secretary, please read the committee report.
Committee report. Ratification of the deed of donation of the property covered by TCT number T-29923 with an area of 12,378 square meters located at Barangay Sabang, executed by Nestor K. Luz et al., represented by PhilHomes Realty Development Incorporated, through its president, Mr. Danilo Dolor, in favor of the City of Lipa, represented by the Honorable City Mayor, forwarded by the City Administrator, by authority of the City Mayor. Findings. The deed of donation executed by and between Nestor K. Luz et al., represented by PhilHomes Realty Development Incorporated, through its president, Mr. Danilo Dolor, and the City of Lipa, represented by the Honorable Mayor Maynardo A. Sabili, was forwarded by the City Administrator by authority of the City Mayor to the Office of the Sangguniang Panlunsod for ratification. The City Mayor executed said deed of donation pursuant to SP Resolution number 238, approved on September 19, 2013, which authorizes him to sign documents such as vouchers and checks in behalf of the City Government of Lipa and to enter into contracts and agreements subject to the ratification of the Sangguniang Panlunsod. The property to be donated is covered by TCT number T-29923 Lot 8 with an area of 12,378 square meters located at Barangay Sabang, Lipa City. The donors have offered to donate said property, and as an act of liberality and generosity, the donor thereby voluntarily and freely gives, transfers, and conveys by way of donation unto the City Government of Lipa, its heirs, successors, and assigns all the rights, title, and interests which donors have in the above described real property free from all liens and encumbrances and charges whatsoever, subject to the following conditions. A. The said parcel of land shall be used only for public purposes for the welfare, benefit, and convenience of the general public. B. That the said repairs and maintenance of the said parcel of land shall be borne and shouldered by the city government of Lipa. Recommendation. Since said donation shall be beneficial to the constituents of the city of Lipa, this committee to which this matter was referred recommends to this august body the passage of a resolution ratifying the deed of donation executed by and between Nestor K. Luz et al., represented by Phil Homes Realty Development Incorporated, through its president, Mr. Danilo Dolor, and the city of Lipa, represented by Honorable Mayor Maynardo Isabili, for the donation of the property with an area of 12,378 square meters covered by TCT number T-29923 located at Barangay Sabang, Lipa City in favor of the city of Lipa. Respectfully submitted, Honorable Joel Dipua, Chairman, Honorable Pasita Esliviste, Member, and Honorable Donato Olinatok, Member.
Motion.
I move for the adoption of the committee report.
Discussion. The Honorable Katipon is recognized.
Good morning ha. Ito yun ng committee nag-approve ng isang donasyon from the PhilHomes. Ang PhilHome gaho, ito ho yung City Park Subdivision.
Opo, yan po.
So 12,000 square meter. Isang hektaryang mahigit ho. Saan ho located ho?
Yan po yung malapit po yung makababa po ng yung bago po sumapit sa Bahayang Pilipino. Yan po yung gagawin nating dinodonate po yan sa city at yan po yung gagawin parang home for the aged. Kumbaga yan po yung maging beneficial po sa ating city.
So may kwan ho advantages to the city or disadvantages to the city for receiving this donation? Ano
Advantages to the city.
Advantages to the city.
Kasi po yan po yung mga pakinabangan po ng ating mga kababayan. Diyan po yung ating po mga matandang mga kababayan, diyan po yung makakapaglibang sila, makakapagsama-sama, magkakaroon po sila ng mga activities.
Yan ho yung nakabakanting lote sa ngayon. Bakanting lote. At yan ho yung lote ho from dito ho sa may Sabang, dito sa may Nation Gas going to...
Doon po yung sa parting papaloob pa po.
Yan ho yung nakadonate naman ho yung mga road lots ho ngayon, nakadonate na rin sa city na ho.
Sa pagkakaalam ko po, bagamat hindi ko po inabot, ayan po yung nakadonate na yung buo pong road lots na papahaba po. Pero yung mga side na road, hindi po kasama yun ang alam ko.
In the present time ho, yan gaho ay binubuwis gaho yan ng PhilHomes sa city government o yan ho ay delinquent. Yan ho ay...
Sa ngayon po, ang alam ko nakabuwis po yan at bayad po.
Okay, thank you.
Any further discussion? The Honorable Monte Alto is recognized.
Mr. Chairman, yan po yung lote na nandun sa City Park, sa bandang kanan, papunta ka doon, bago magmadre, ay nasa kanang side. Yan po yung malalim na lugar na kung saan dati ay dyan dumadaan yung malaking baha galing sa Marawoy. Ngayon naman, nung ma-address na yung drainage system dito sa ating highway ay hindi na masyadong malaking baha. Sa inyo pong kaalaman, yun pong daang yan po yung na-donate na sa atin. At yan nga po ang ating ini-inquire noon kung bakit na-donate yung mga road lot samantalang itong open space ay kinakailangang i-donate din sapagkat binigay sa gobyerno ang paggawaing karsada pero yung mga open space na dapat pakinabangan ng gobyerno ay dapat i-donate din. So, yun po yung i-donate ngayon sa lungsod ng Lipa.
Ayun po ang dinodonate niya.
So, 1 hektarya pong mahigit yan, malaking bagay po sa lungsod. Napakalaki po ang magagawa natin. At ang nasabi nyo nga, Mr. Konsehal po, ay yan ay gagawin nating home for the aged.
Parang ganun na po.
Yan po ay kaninong idea yung project
yan po siguro idea po ng ating mahal na mayor yun po.
Okay. So, Mr. Chairman, yun lang po at napakaganda po na magkakaroon ng 1 hektaryang mahigit na lupa ang lungsod ng Lipa. Marami pong salamat.
Any further discussion? Objection? Hearing none. Committee report number 12 is hereby approved. Next committee report.
Mr. Chair, provided na lahat naman po tayo may kopya po ng committee report, I move that we dispense the reading of the committee report.
Any second to the motion? Seconded. Discussion. Objection. Hearing none. Committee report number 13. The reading of the report number 13 is hereby dispensed with. Motion.
Mr. Chair, I move for the adoption of the committee report.
Discussion. Objection. Hearing none. The motion duly seconded is hereby approved.
Mr. Chair, again, I move that we dispense the reading of the committee report number...
Lahat na yun.
Lahat na pala yun. Lahat na pala yun.
Resolution and unfinished business for the day, Mr. Secretary.
Business for the day. Supplemental budget number 1 for budget year 2014 of Barangay Sabang amounting to 699,147.26 for review and concurrence.
Referred to the Committee on Appropriations. Resolution and ordinances for third and final reading. The Honorable Puwa is recognized.
Mr. Chair, I move for the passage of a resolution ratifying the deed of donation executed between Nestor Caylus et al. Represented by the PhilHomes Realty Development Incorporation through its President Danilo Dolor and the City of Lipa, represented by Honorable Maynardo Isabili, for the donation of the property with an area of 12,378 square meters located in Barangay Sabang in favor of the City of Lipa.
Discussion. Objection. Hearing none. The motion duly seconded is hereby approved for third and final reading.
Mr. Chair, I move for the passage of an ordinance reclassifying the property of Asian Cathay Finance and Leasing Corporation with an area of 170 square meters, portion of the property with a total area of 270 square meters located in Barangay Antipolo del Norte from commercial use into residential use.
Any second? Seconded by the Honorable Katipon and Mendoza and Veloso. Discussion. Objection. Hearing none. The motion duly seconded is hereby approved for third and final reading.
Mr. Chair, I move for the passage of an ordinance reclassifying the property of spouses Leonora A. Librada and Ariel B. Librada with an area of 184 square meters located in Barangay Latag from agricultural use into residential use.
Any second? Seconded. Discussion. Objection. Hearing none. The motion duly seconded is hereby approved for third and final reading.
Mr. Chair, I move for the passage of an ordinance reclassifying the property of Leonora G. Mercado married to Nathaniel G. Mercado with a total area of 800 square meters located in Barangay Sampaguita from agricultural use to residential use.
Any second? Seconded by the Honorable Mendoza, Hernandez Veloso, and Lebiste. Discussion. Objection. Hearing none. The motion duly seconded is hereby approved for third and final reading.
Mr. Chair, I move for the passage of an ordinance reclassifying the property of Maralit de Jesus Realty Corporation with a total area of 34,856 square meters located in Barangay San Carlos from agricultural use into institutional use.
Any second? Seconded. Jointly moved and seconded. Discussion. Objection. Hearing none. The motion duly seconded is hereby approved for third and final reading. Privilege. The Honorable Hernandez Veloso is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. We have again in our presence the members of the Philippine Red Cross, and this time, through the efforts of Councilor Nonato Monfero, we shall be turning over yet another check in the amount near to 100,000 for the 66 bags of blood to be donated by the said good councilor. Considering this, Mr. Presiding Officer, may I request that we suspend the rules to give way to the turnover or ceremonial turnover of the check.
Any second to the suspension of the rules? Seconded. Rules suspended.
May I invite Councilor Noni Monfero together with the members of the Sangguniang Panglungsod, front and center, please. And may I invite the members of the Philippine Red Cross headed by their Lipa chapter representative, Iris K. Recto.
Good morning po ulit sa ating lahat. Muli po ang taus-pusong salamat po ng Philippine Red Cross sa suporta pong ibinibigay ng local government unit of Lipa City. In behalf of all the beneficiaries po ng Philippine Red Cross, kami po ay taus-pusong nagpapasalamat and to acknowledge the help and support of our good counselor. We would like to give him this certificate. Please let me read this. Philippine Red Cross Batangas Chapter awards this certificate of appreciation to Councilor Nonato R. Monfero in grateful appreciation of her invaluable contribution and support to the Blood Samaritan Project given the 7th day of March 2014 by Philippine Red Cross Batangas Chapter. This 10th day of March 2014 by Philippine Red Cross Batangas Chapter, Lipa City Branch. Signed by our Chapter Administrator, Mr. Ronald Generoso. Councilor, maraming salamat po.
Session na resume. Privilege. Kung wala na po, the Honorable Hernandez de Los is recognized.
May I request any member of the Appropriations Committee to consider the business for the day, supplemental budget of Barangay Sabang for urgency. With the concurrence of the members of the Appropriations Committee, I move that we consider the first item on business for the day as urgent, Mr. Chair.
For urgency, seconded, discussion, objection, hearing none. The item number 1 of business for the day is hereby declared as urgent.
Mr. Chair, I move that we pass a resolution concurring the supplemental budget of Barangay Sabang in the amount stated in the agenda for third and final reading.
Any second? Seconded, discussion, objection, hearing none. The motion duly seconded is hereby approved for third and final reading. Any other matters? Ano? Ha? Wala. Kung wala na po, the session is adjourned.